Alright, so right now I'm gonna drill the subframe, that hole there and the hole here, to a 1-inch size. That way we can fit in the gusset that we have here. So we can fit that and then we can put the mount in. So let's go ahead and drill that. Alright, so I'm going to remove the ABS. I chopped off the little stud here that goes into a rubber bushing. I'm going to do the same thing at the back there. I'm going to chop that off. I'm going to cut a little bit of the, I don't know if that's part of the frame, just so the ABS can go all the way to the side. And then I'll cut the bottom lip here that the ABS goes onto. And then we either just leave it loose because it's going to be pretty tight, or we'll find another way to mount it. But for now, I'm going to disconnect the ABS lines and do the modifications needed. Figure out the whole battery relocation. Trying to see whether I should go under the car or go through the car itself. And I don't know if I want to put the battery here towards the left or behind the passenger seat, just because I might have to, or not might have to, but I might want to move the fuse box and the computer to the back. That way, if I do, I can put the computers under this, because we have this deep here, and then we can close this off. But for now, I'm trying to figure out the battery situation. So let's take out the rear seat and see how it looks. Alright, so we could go through that there. At the bottom. Feed the wire. We could possibly either go under the carpet or go on the side here.